Hello everyone and welcome to Chandrapith Homeo Edifications. I am your friend and host Chandrapith, and I shall take you through this journey of homeopathy through the medium of this channel. Well friends, the basic purpose, as we all know, for creating such a YouTube channel is to introduce homeopathy to you all in a very simpler fashion, in a very simpler way, because this needs to be understood from the basic principles if we need to make it a part of our life. So before going further, I was planning to prepare this video, so I thought let's start with the basic thing, the first things first. There are certain terms that we need to understand before we go into the deeper study of homeopathy. I think homeopathic students shall also like this video. There are certain terms we always come across when we learn homeopathy, but we need to understand it in a simpler way. Let us begin with the certain terms we will very often come across, like constitution in terms of homeopathy, the constitution of a person, the temperament, what is temperament, what are the miasms, what is the meaning of diathesis. So before we go into all those details, let us start with the very first term I would like to introduce to you, that is the constitution. What is the meaning of constitution in terms of homeopathy? Let us try to understand it in a very simpler fashion. Well friends, constitution of a person comprises of his physical attributes as well as the mental makeup that combine together to form that personality. Like what kind of personality a person has, what kind of constitution that person has. Now in this we'll take up the breakup into two, that are physical attributes, the physical makeup and the mental makeup. The physical makeup of a person, the physical attributes that he carries, for this includes the outer looks of a person, the color of the skin, the height of a person, whether he is tall, he is short statured, he is slim, he is fat, he is healthy, he is obese, and all these conditions that make him, and the physical attributes that form a person. Thus, all these things come under the physical makeup. Similarly, we take up the mental makeup, the mental issues, the thought process, the thinking process of a person that build up his personality, that has an effect upon him. So that is the mental makeup. So combined together, that forms the constitution of a person. Now here another thing has to be understood, like now this constitution comprises of physical and mental attributes, okay, and it can be hereditary and it can be acquired as well. See, when the child is in the mother's womb, I mean to say when it is a fetus there, there's certain attributes, there's the certain qualities that are inbuilt in the child. They are, we call, hereditary. Now this is the intrauterine life. Fine, the environment is different there. The child has already acquired, is inbuilt with those qualities he's got from his parents. Now after birth, what happens? The external environment has as its own effect upon the child, and the child even learns so many things, he acquires so many attributes, could be physical, could be mental, because there are so many environmental changes coming across. The society has its effect upon the thinking process of the child. As the child grows in the society, he will acquire, he will adapt to those environmental changes which will affect his basic constitution. So constitution, now we can say the physical and the mental makeup of a person, but it can be hereditary, it can be acquired as well. So together all these attributes constitute the constitution of person in terms of homeopathy. I hope I am quite clear. Any doubts, any suggestions, most welcome you to mention in the comment section. Further topics we will be discussing in a very simpler way again. We shall discuss the temperament of a person, we shall discuss the miasms, then therapeutics of homeopathy. We'll go into further details of the organon as well. Let us try to learn homeopathy in a simpler way. Soon we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care of your health. God bless.